some more Skylanders. And
Part two.
and Monster 2.
No. Hi.
Okay. Mama, say hi.
So, the first one that we're gonna unbox is Candy Chocolate Copscotch, which is the exclusive one for Halloween this year. Where's the scissors?
I know, I misplaced them.
I'll get them.
Did you move them?
No.
Yeah.
Why would I move?
I don't know. Okay.
Okay, so,
Which one are we doing?
Candy's Chocoed. Wait, Candy Chocoed Copscotch. And you can only get him until Halloween, because he's the Halloween exclusive.
Yeah. Candy coated chopscotch. Candy coated. Chop till you drop. I like that. It's the funniest video game ever.
And we decided what we're going to do for this chaos giveaway. Whoever leaves the best comment will get it.
That's a good idea.
So, we're not
We'll have a
unboxing
giveaway.
it today, chaos. Somebody else will.
Here you go.
So,
I think I'm gonna have the best comment.
Will you, Mom?
huh?
Lamp?
I'm
What's...
gonna say, I love you, smoochy, smoochy.
No.
Oh, no. Chop till you drop.
If you haven't seen part 1 of this, then go watch that before you see this.
Oh.
They don't have a little prize anymore?
Huh?
No. Mom said I say stop.
Well, you haven't asked that.
Yeah, we've been talking about that earlier.
We used to use them for the little iPad version, right? You scan them in.
Yeah.
Okay, this is candy coated chopscotch.
Yep.
Okay, now to do normal chopscotch.
Normal. And the candy coated is a Halloween special?
Yeah.
Halloween release?
I'm gonna go get the other Halloween release from last year. Should be, yeah. This is the Halloween from last year.
Cool.
Nice. Is that Fiesta?
Yeah.
By the way, we were driving home today and we saw a Fiesta car. Like a little like hot rod.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
We saw Tomb Raider,
Tomb Raider. Yeah.
but it was red instead of black.
It was really cool. A little buggy, yeah.
Doom buggy. I learned this like a month ago that it wasn't called Doom buggy. It was called Dune buggy.
Dune.
I always used to say Doom buggy
Yeah.
because it sounds better. Doom buggy. Doom with an M.
Instead of June?
Instead
Yeah.
of dune, like sand dune, right?
I think I was when I told you that.
Hey.
Remember
Doom
when
buggy.
you were
Chop
little
till
and
you
I
drop.
was concerned that these would hurt you because they're really sharp?
Yeah.
Remember that?
What, the plastic?
They had these like giant spears.
Oh, on the things themselves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they're not on the floor anymore.
You probably couldn't even take those on a plane. It's seriously
Yeah.
dangerous. They're a weapon.
Collection's growing. I'll have to show you our current collection.
Master Tri-Trip. Should we do that at the end of the unboxing?
Sure. Okay.
Master
Says-
Tri-Trip. Master Tri-Trip says, face to the mace.
Face to the mace.
Okay, I feel like I've heard that somewhere. On a different Skylander.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. Or like something with a mace.
Face the mace.
So did they applaud when you guys like approached the register? What was the scene? scene like? The jaws drop? Like, what happened?
Now they know, Max. They all know it's there. They're not surprised in the least that we grabbed every one of them. We
Yeah.
just started piling them up on the cash register, on the register.
Yeah.
You're having a good day there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
And I'm not your dog, Dad.
Oh
My name
yeah.
is
Mo. Sorry. Keep calling Max the dog.
Oh, for Christmas?
We all know his name is Mo. It's like Indiana Jones, his dad used to call him. The dog's name. Face the mace.
I'm so tired. So you guys gonna go check out the couch later or no?
Oh, not without you.
Rocky thingy.
Rocky thingy. See how the day goes. See how you feel after hanging out with the girls.
Huh?
I was gonna just send you a Mac.
Oh no, we're not gonna go without you. We have our
This
hands
is
full
the
here.
new Light Skylander. He says the speed of light.
The speed of light.
Do you want me to do the scissors?
No.
Okay.
You can be the cameraman.
So you can be the camera person?
Yeah. Hello. Over to Mom.
Camera's down here, so you gotta switch your
Yeah.
finger.
Yeah.
Okay, your finger's now more closer to the camera.
It's okay. So
Your other hand.
I'm on the edge. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm gonna put these stickers in the disc.
What are they?
They're protection plans, so if we break the disc, they'll give us a new one. Only worth $3.
Okay. So here is the new Light Skylander.
Wait, go still.
We're
Stay
gonna do
still.
close up later, aren't we?
Oh, very fun.
Okay.
It's like
Looking
this
good.
scary blurry thing
Who's
coming at
next?
me.
This guy.
Dark?
Yeah. The second part.
There's two darks?
Yeah. Well,
Oh, you
there-
mean-
I think there's gonna be more darks
Okay.
than lights this year because there were 2 lights and only 1 dark.
I see.
There were 2 lights last year because there was a legendary light. So this is a dark one, and then this guy's a dark. But they just have different symbols on them because they're a master one.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Like that one has like nunchucks, I think that they're called, on it, and then this guy has a shuriken on him.
So his name is Master Starcast. And his saying, you know what his saying is?
Nope.
A shot in the dark.
Is he a pirate, Dad?
He's a pirate.
Is he an ancestor of Crazy Harry?
Crazy Harry's. It's his brother.